IF800 is really for a broad spectrum of different kind of use cases: inspections, aerophotogrammetry, delivery systems. This is a medium lift sUAS exactly designed to replace the DJI M300 and M350. Our federal government, multiple state and local governments have all said that those systems, those Chinese origin systems, cannot operate anymore on US soil or US installations. And we're seeing that people who operate critical infrastructure, certainly electrical utilities, oil and gas industry, are following suit.
Got some stick time, feels great. That's a great aircraft. You guys should be very proud of what you guys built, and we're very excited to send that product out there to a lot of our public safety customers, inspections, construction, surveying. I think it's got a lot of potential around many different industries.
Flying it around, it handled very smoothly. The controls were extremely responsive. Yeah, it seems like a very capable drone. I'm excited to get my hands on my own model and start flying around some LiDAR with it.
Biggest thing for me is the way it's easy to put together. You know, it's just, you can take it out of the box, it's easy to get ready to fly, and that's a big deal for a lot of our customers.
Inspired Flight, we are conserving resources, we're saving lives, and we're creating jobs.